A live look on our Roto-Rooter tower cam continues to show mostly cloudy to overcast skies. It's been a little nice because it's added a little bit of layer of insulation. The issue is we're just not all that warm out there across central Illinois right now. But again, the clouds will play a factor into tonight, gradually clearing, leaving way for a little bit more sunshine as we head into tomorrow. But for your weather headlines, we're talking warm weather as we head into tomorrow and of course the following day. The thing is, after that chance of warm weather, we're talking an opportunity for some precipitation that's going to turn into a winter storm across parts of the Midwest. And it could impact us here in central Illinois. There's a high chance of that. Following that is some Arctic air across central Illinois to kind of add salt to the wound. We're going to have to deal with even colder weather after that event. 29 degrees right now, indicator feeling like 20. It's feeling like 16 up in Bloomington and 21 there in Vermilion County. So while we are below freezing, it has been a horrible day across central Illinois. Keep in mind we're seeing a little bit of improvement and there is some warm weather on the way to parts of central Illinois. In fact, everyone will see temperatures trying to climb towards 40 degrees as we head into tomorrow. Winds right now are out of the north, but again tonight they'll start to calm down and then be out of the south to southeast as we head into tomorrow. You'll still notice a little bit of a breeze out there across central Illinois, but at the same time, the nice thing is they are out of the south, ushering in some of that warmer air. Storm Center satellite radar continuing to show clouds move through. Calm and quiet for the time being, but as we head into the middle of this week, this thing's going to be lighting up across much of the Midwest. And the big reason why is the precipitation in the clouds that you see from just out west of San Francisco all the way up into Seattle. This is what's going to eventually start to move our way across central Illinois, bringing the chance of rain and eventually the chance of winter storms. By the way, you don't name winter storms, but Futurecast by Nestor & Associates continues to show a little wind out of the north with overcast skies as we head into this evening. But then you start to get into tomorrow and look at this. Clouds are starting to break down. We'll still be dealing with a few clouds to start off your day, but then as we progress into the afternoon, there's going to be a little bit more sunshine. So maybe a sun and cloud mix, but I'm going to say mostly sunny for most people across central Illinois. But the winds out of the south are going to be beneficial, but at the same time, breezy across the area. We get into your Tuesday morning. This is whenever everything really starts to kick off. So still dealing with the cloud cover and some breezy winds out of the south. In comes the chance of rain as we head into the afternoon and evening. This is what's starting this system, and it's a little concerning that we do have temperatures above freezing. So while we like the warmth, it's not great news whenever you have an incoming system along a cold front, because then as we get into Tuesday night into Wednesday, take a look at this. Transitioning into snow, but that pink that you see there is the opportunity for freezing rain that could transition into ice itself on the roadways. So overall, we know there's an opportunity for rain transitioning into snow. No ifs, ands, or doubts about that. But whenever we look at the snow probability, this is chances of multiple inches, so over 2 inches. Extremely high if you're talking from Bloomington down in the Decatur area. Further south, of course, it starts to decrease. Now, while it is too far out to give you official totals, models are still a little kind of back and forth on this. We know this is the most promising portion or event that we have seen so far this winter. And if you know me, if you know the way I forecast, I'm typically pessimistic about chances of snow in this area for obvious reasons, just based off of previous events this winter. But this is what we know. Snow will accumulate. It's just a matter of how much. Heaviest snow will be north of I-72, more ice than snow if you're down along that I-70 corridor. So we're also going to see the impact of roads being an issue as we head into midweek for morning commutes and evening commutes. Again, timing of this starts Tuesday night into your Thursday as well. So it's going to be here for over 48 hours. Tonight itself, though, 17 degrees with gradually clearing skies. Tomorrow's forecast, we're going to make it up into the 40s with sunshine, but sunset at 5:14. Your same Air 70 forecast continues to show that opportunity precipitation with that winter storm possibility Wednesday and Thursday. Again, we know there's going to be snow accumulation. It's just a matter of how much. And as soon as we're confident in the system and the totals, we'll start to release those to you. But as of right now, we just know there's a high probability of seeing accumulation. 18 degrees there for your Friday with an overnight low of 0 degrees. We're still expecting plenty of sunshine on the back in this forecast. But of course, it comes with the possibility of the snow on the ground and some Arctic-like air moving across, because Friday night you can see wind chills as low as about -10 to -15, depending on just how strong the winds are out of the north.